Hi, welcome to the McGuffey Readers Online Tutor. I'm still using that first grade line paper and also the Grunewalde font. I think they're great and I'm going to add those links to this YouTube, and you can also find them at the McGuffeyReaders.blogspot.com. And you'll find lesson ideas there and also the worksheets that go with these YouTubes. This lesson is from the primer, and it's the McGuffey Reader series, and it's number 5, lesson 5, review. Let's start with the capital A. A with the lowercase a, and the T, gives us at. Now the capital A was for a name, but at can go with k, the C, k, at, for cat. Do you remember cat? And AT really is a foundation for many other words, like the r, at, rat. Do you remember the rat? Let's make a sentence. The cat sat, the rat ran. Do you notice the semicolon and also the period? Remember when we did those? The next letter is N, and we have a capital N also, and we're going to use at as a foundation for the name Nat. And because it's a name, we do use the capital N. Do you remember Nat? Well, Nat wasn't alone. Anne was with him. Do you remember Anne? Anne is spelled A-N-N. So 2 N's there. And there is Anne. You might want to practice writing that name, Anne, on the paper that you can download. Anne is a foundational word also. You can add a D to it and you get another word, and. So you have Anne and Nat. They both had a hat. So this gives us a word family that we've looked at this whole time. Sat, cat, rat, hat, nat, at. And let's look at what Anne and Nat had. They had a hat, and they also had a fan. So you have the AT in hat, and you have the AN in fan, a fan. So there's Anne and Nat. Anne has a hat and a fan. Anne has a hat and a fan. We can also use the AN with an M. Man. Man. Do you remember the lesson with the man? The man, here he is. Do you remember him? That's when you were introduced to the word the. And we used it as the man. The man has a hat. We made a sentence and we used the word has, which had the S in it, and it has like a little zingy sound. As, has. So the man has a hat. Where is this man? Here he is. Let's make a new sentence. Has the man a fan? This sentence is special because it's a question. See the question mark at the end? Okay, we've made a word family. Anne, and the name with a capital. Fan, man, ran. The next letter is the S again, but it's not the Z sound, it's more of the snake sound. S. like in the word sat. Sat. Remember, the man sat. And the lad ran. The lad ran. Do you remember the lad? We don't have a capital T here because we made a long sentence up with a semicolon. The man sat, semicolon. The lad ran. The man sat, semicolon. The lad ran. When you put a semicolon in between two sentences, you can make one long sentence. Let's read that together. The man sat, the lad ran. You can practice that on the worksheet that you can download with this YouTube. Let's review some of the words that we have learned so far. The, cap, and, cat. Here's that cat. At, hat, gnat. There's Nat with his hat. Rat and sat. Then we have the an word family. There's an, and then you can have the lowercase an, can, fan, ran. You can stop this video at any time and repeat these words. There's the cat that ran after the rat. And then finally, man. Man. Oh, I almost forgot the lad. We don't want to forget the lad. Here's the worksheet again. When you print out this worksheet, at the bottom of the page you'll see many little pictures. Cut them out and paste them next to the sentences that match the pictures. And I hope that you go to the McGuffeyreaders.blogspot.com and print out that worksheet with other worksheets and lesson ideas. Thanks for visiting the McGuffey Readers online tutor, and I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.